So now let's go into meditation. Close your outer eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, or simply soften your gaze. Let's recenter ourselves and relax. Taking a deep breath and letting it out. Focusing on our breath as we center ourselves and shed the troubles and worries of the day. Focusing on our breath as we continue to focus and go deeper into meditation. Letting go of any thoughts that come into our mind, knowing they'll come back to us after meditation if it's truly important. Knowing that you are co-creating the world around you and you have the power to make changes if it's not working for you. Know that you are both human and divine, and that the divine spark, the very breath of God, is in you, as it says in Genesis. It is your essence. You are made of both star stuff and God stuff, able to co-create your world with the divine and those around you. Know that we are all connected. Feel the connection. Feel your influence on that connection. Know that you have the power to co-create this time and this place with the divine and other divine beings. Think about that. Dwell on that as we go into a period of silent meditation. I have the power to create my world. I am an important part of creation and the co-creator of my reality. I am made of star stuff and God stuff. I can co-create my world with the divine. Let's start coming back to this time and this place. Start feeling your body, the ground beneath you, your fingers and your toes. When you're ready, you might want to wiggle them a little bit, helping you connect with your physical location. You may need to move around a little. Stretch out the places that have gone a little stiff from being still. Open your eyes when you're ready and fully connect back to this time and this place. That feeling and anything that you learned, taking that feeling and anything you learned with you throughout your day and your week. And so it is, and so you are, and so we are. Ashe, Shalom, Amen.